All right, guys, let's finish up these last two examples. So I've got the square root of 2 minus the square root of 8. They do not have like radicands, so I need to simplify 8. 8 breaks down to 2 and 4, and 4 breaks down to 2 and 2. So now I need to combine, or look for my pairs, excuse me. So I've got a pair of 2's right here. So that 2 is going to go on the outside. There's nothing on the outside to multiply it with, so I've just got 2 times the square root of 2. My first term was just the square root of 2. Well, remember, anytime you've got just no number out front, no leading coefficient in front of your radical sign, there's really a 1 there. So we've got 1 minus 2. So that's going to give us a negative 1 times the square root of 2. All right, this is our last example that we're working for our videos. You've got 63 that we need to break down. Remember, that breaks down into 3 and 21 first, and then it breaks down to 3 and 7. All right, so I want to look for my like terms, or sorry, my pairs. I keep calling them like terms. My pairs are 3's. So the 3 is going to come out. Well, notice there's already a 10 sitting out front. I do need to multiply. So 3 times 10 would give me 30. And the number under the radical sign is a 7 because that's the number we didn't circle. Let's move on to our second term. We want to break down 28. Well, 28 breaks down to 2 and 14. And it also 14 breaks down into 2 and 7. I lost my little line right there. So 2 and 7. Okay. And then we look for our pairs. So I have a pair of 2's. So this pair of 2's gets circled. The 2 is going to go on the outside. Well, there's already a 2 on the outside. So we need to multiply. So 2 times 2 would be 4. And the number we didn't circle was that 7. Okay, so we need to look at our last term there. It was the square root of 7. That can't be simplified, so I'm just going to bring that down. So this expression, we've got 30 times the square root of 7 minus 4 times the square root of 7 plus the square root of 7. I'm just going to remember we have a 1 out front in front of that 1 right there. So I'm going to do 30 minus 4, which is 26, plus 1, that will be 27. So I've got 27 times the square root of 7. There'll be one additional video that might help. And again, you can always text me or send me an email, ask for questions. I can get on a Google Meet or a conference with you anytime to help work through any problems. So just let me know what help you need. Thanks for watching.